a chilly morning here, but today's delivery day for this beautiful Seafoam Green Insetta 35IFC. So as always, wanted to give you guys a walkthrough video, show you everything that's on this particular boat. As you can see, it's Seafoam Green, tan accents with some white as well, and it came out absolutely beautiful. Starting up at the bow, something new that we haven't done before is the new power pull trolling motor with the titanium shaft. We're very excited about this, and he's gonna do some serious work with this boat fishing out in the Gulf. Up here you've got your windlass and anchor locker. Y'all already know what that looks like. Up here we've also got an insulated cooler. We've got this nicely contoured bow seating for our huge coffin box. Plenty of space in here to put a ton of ice, ton of fish, a ton of storage, whatever you want really. Moving back, you've got your forward storage. Inside here you'll also find your macerator pump for your fish boxes, so you can pump everything directly overboard. So we don't want anything sitting inside that bilge. You've got JL audio sound system around the boat, 2/8 up here. You've got rod holders along here, up top. Maybe we'll run through that a little bit more, but you've got just about everything you could possibly fit up there. You got a 6-foot Garmin open array radar. You got FLIR, Psionics, light bar, life raft, and even a Starlink up there. So you can be 100 miles offshore fishing and watching the football game on a Sunday. So you don't have to choose anymore between the two, which is nice. Moving back, we've got our large insulated and macerated fish box here. Over 6 foot long, plenty big. You put all your wahoo, mahi, smaller grade yellowfin tuna, etc. Under the gunnels up here, we've also got spear gun holders tucked away. We've got plenty of rod holders along the gunnel, 0 degree, 15 degree cup holder rod holder. Up here at the helm, we've got a 6-inch step up, which is a lot higher than several of the boats that we've done. 3-wide helm seating. You got these beautiful 24-inch Garmins up here, absolute giant flat screens, which will be nice when you're using the Starlink. We've got this custom paracord wrapped steering wheel and grab rails around the boat. JL audio sound system, as I mentioned. You got 4 more 6s under here. You got 2 subwoofers, 2/8 up there, 2/8 over here. Great sound system. You've got controls for your windlass at the helm as well. You've got the Yamaha joystick system that's got your spot lock and all that stuff also. Wireless phone chargers up here, which are a nice little addition. VHF radio. Things decked out. Here's inside of the console here, quite a bit of space. You've got an electric flush head here, little toilet, and then you've got access to the back side of all of your electronics. That's ventilated, temperature regulated. This boat in particular has a lot of extra goodies in here because we've got Starlink and quite a few electronics up top. But as you can see, everything is labeled nicely. Very easy to do any troubleshooting if necessary. And you've got plenty of space in here if someone needs to come in, change before you go out to dinner or something like that. Or if someone has to use the toilet. This is macerated, pumped directly overboard as long as you're legally allowed to do so offshore. And yeah, that's inside the console. Tucked under the gunnels, you'll have your fresh and raw water washdowns. Back here, you've got your drop down tackling rigging station. You've got another insulated cooler that can also be plumbed to be a live well. He has it plumbed to be a live well. So on this boat, he's got a live well here, which is like a shallow well that he can use for pinfish. And he's got these 2 big wells back here. They are run by a pump box, so they will fully pressurize all the way to the top. So when you're doing those long runs out, you don't have to worry about your baits dying, which is nice. You've got a freshwater rinse back here as well, a little shower wand, your bilge accesses, and on this side, if you come a little closer, I'll show you monster transducer we've got in this particular boat. So he wanted this boat set up to be able to do anything and everything. So as he progresses in fishing, if he wants to get out and start doing some sword fishing, he's got the transducer to do it. And then finally, this is the first boat that we've done with twin 350 Yamahas. So initially we hadn't done any boats with Yamahas because the 300s are a little on the smaller side. These 350s came out in the past year or so, and we wanted to give them a shot. Performance is phenomenal on this boat. We'll share some more videos when we run it and all of that, but very, very happy with the performance out of these motors. The economy is there, just like it is with all of the stuff, but these particular motors have been phenomenal. So welcome aboard, and you'll see this boat running around Fort Myers. So reach out to us if you ever have any questions, and if you'd like to build an Insetta of your own, just let us know.